In this video, I'll show you how to see your Navy Federal debit card number using the mobile app. Start by opening the app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in with your username and password. If you've enabled fingerprint or facial recognition, you can use that instead. Next, navigate to the Card Management section. Look for a menu option labeled Cards, Card Management, or something similar. The wording may vary depending on your app version. Now select your debit card. You'll see a list of your Navy Federal cards. Just tap the one you need. For security, you may be asked to verify your identity. This could be a one-time passcode sent by text or email, answering security questions, or using biometric authentication again. Once verified, tap View Card Details or Show Card Number. Your full debit card number will appear, along with the expiration date and CVV. If the number is partially hidden, tap the masked area to reveal it. And that's it. Secure access to your debit card number right from the app.